You know there are so many editing applications to create thumbnail for your YouTube videos, but Canva is one of the best applications. So here in this video, I'm gonna show you all the step-by-step process to create thumbnail through Canva app. So first of all, let's open the Canva app. Now after opening the Canva app, first of all you will get this kind of interface. Now to create your thumbnail, look at the top side, there are some options here. Number 1 is Facebook cover, number 2 is YouTube thumbnail. And if you aren't getting this YouTube thumbnail option here, keep scrolling down a little bit like this. Now under this YouTube thumbnail section, you will get all the YouTube preset thumbnail templates. So to create your thumbnail from here, you just need to click on see all. And now see so many preset thumbnail templates here. Here are 17,265 templates. Both the premium and pre templates here. The premium templates give a more professional look to your thumbnail, but I won't suggest you to go for premium because there are so many pre templates here which looks so professional. So now I'm gonna create my thumbnail with this first template. So just click here, and now the template is fully loaded here. All the elements are placed here separately. This photo is a separate element, and the text is also a separate element. For example, if I want to edit the text, just click over there, and now look at the bottom side, here is an edit option. So just click on edit. Now you can write your own text here. For example, I'm writing here how to create a thumbnail, but the problem is my text isn't properly aligned here, so first I need to do it right. Just click here, and now drag it to the right side a little bit, like this. And here is another little text. I can move it too, like this. And now I'm gonna replace this picture with my own photo, okay? Just click over there, and now look at the bottom left corner, here's the replace option. Just click there, now it will redirect you to your phone stories. Just select your own photo that you wanna place there. And now see my photo is imported here. And if you want, you can do a little bit color corrections too. Just click over the photo. And now look at the bottom options. Here is an adjust option. Just click there. You can increase or decrease the temperature like this. And there's a brightness option too. Just click there. And now increase the brightness a little bit like this. Now increase the contrast a little bit and increase the highlights too. And now placing all the text in a photo over the template. Now it's time to export the photo. Now look at the top right corner, there is an export button and there is a download icon too. So you can download your photos just clicking on download icon, and now your photo is being downloaded and it will be saved on your phone stories. And now see here is a notification popping up here, save to gallery. So this is how you can create your thumbnail by using Canva app. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe this channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.